Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some exciting topic to explore. How to use Ome TV, the platform that connects you with strangers for some exciting video chats. Whether you're looking for casual conversation, making new friends, or just embracing the randomness, Ome TV's got you covered. And before we begin, if you enjoy our tutorial videos, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. Now let's begin with going to our web browser and simply type in ome.tv and you will be routed into their homepage. Here, if you haven't signed up for an account yet, you can either use your Facebook login or your Facebook account or your VK account to log in. And aside from accessing Ome TV through your web browser or through your computer, you can definitely access Ome TV on your mobile devices as well. You can get it on Google Play if you're using Android, and you can get it to Apple Store or App Store for iOS devices. So here, you'll be able to see on the left side panel of the screen that this is where you will be able to see that this also offers, or this application is also offered on your mobile devices for easy access. Here in this video, we will do a step-by-step guide on how you will be able to use Ome TV safely without hurting other people or encouraging respectfulness while using this application. So here you will be able to see on the screen, there are different parts of the screen that we will talk to you or we will share with you. First, here is your, on the right side panel of the screen, this is where you'll be able to see your video camera. You can either use a full screen mode or just use it as is here with the mobile device. And the first thing that you need to do for new accounts is to allow your camera and microphone to be used by Ome TV so that you will be able to successfully use the application. Since if not, you will not be able to access Ome TV and you will not be able to enjoy video chatting with strangers as well. So here, for, as I mentioned earlier, on the right side panel of the screen, this is your video camera and you'll be able to set up your microphone settings as well. And please keep in mind that in using Ome TV, make sure that you show your face all the time, since that is the #1 rule for using the Ome TV. This is to ensure the safety of this platform. Make sure that your face is visible in the camera frame. So not just half, but your full face should be shown here in your camera. Since if not, there are cases that you may ban from using this platform. So as I mentioned earlier, you can use this as full screen and you can even set on what type of microphone device you will be using for this platform. And here on the left side panel of the screen, the larger box, this is the information that I mentioned earlier as well, where you can also get it on Google Play and download on your App Store. And you'll be able to see as well, it's indicated on how many online users are using the Ome TV. Okay, you'll be able to see who are active. And here on the lower right corner of the screen, this is where you'll be able to type in your message. So not just having a conversation through words or verbal, but you can also type in your informations or you can type in your message to the stranger. And here on the other side, you'll be able to indicate as well if you want to define as a male or female or a couple. And if you don't want that to be indicated, that's also fine as well. And here you can even choose your country. If you're from Albania, you're from Japan, you're from Korea, or from Philippines, you can definitely indicate or choose that here, depending on which country you're from. So there's a lot of options as well. So here, in order for you to start video chatting with strangers, you can just simply click on the start button. And if you want to end the chat, you can simply click on stop. So here we will try to click on start button, and later it will load up on who will be the stranger that will show to you randomly. So if you want stop, just click on stop. So that's very basic here. It's very easy to use and beginner friendly. So here, when you scroll down further into the website, you can go start with video chatting, or you can learn more about the chat option here with Ome TV. And you will be able to access as well on why Ome TV is popular or what made it popular. You can chat with real people, it's free, and you can even use this for your social networks. And the good thing here that it is definitely ad-free. You'll be able to see here there's questions that are commonly asked by the users. Is a Ome TV, a revised version of Omegle, and they also have the answer here. You can scroll down for more questions, and so that you'll be more knowledgeable on what this platform is about before you'll be able to use it. Here, you'll be able to chat with thousands of users, and you can even attract new followers to your social media sites. And you can message, you can view a lot of information, and you can definitely download the app for free. Here, you can also access the FAQs, or the frequently asked questions for Ome TV. This is similar to the small portion at the why people choose Ome TV. This is just the more broader side of that feature. And lastly, here we will be talking about the rules. Since Ome TV is encouraging safety for its users, you should also follow the rules, since if not, there are cases that your account here on Ome TV would be banned. You'll be able to see here that you need not to use or do things that are very not, or do you call it? Make sure that you are respectful to strangers, and you need to have these age restrictions. You need to make sure that you're in the right age before you use this platform, and a lot more information here. You can simply look into these details so that it would protect you, or it's for your safety, and it prevents you from getting banned from Ome TV if you enjoy using this platform. So if you want to continue chatting, you can just simply click on the start button, and you will be routed back here into the homepage. And here you can simply just click on start, and then you can definitely click on next if you want to. And that's basically it. That's how you use Ome TV for interacting with strangers here with this platform. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Hope you like this tutorial, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!